This is the 2018 Kia Sorento. Go Auto was cool enough to lend us the SXL trim today. I've got my expert Raj to take us through the rest of it.
Correction, it's Raj from the Taj. So this 2018 Sorento SXL will also come with your running daylight LEDs, a camera right in the front, and this beautiful looking grille that may take your breath away. As you can see, this is the side of the vehicle with your push button entry. On the sides here on your mirrors, you do have your LED signals, and on your mirror, you do have your blind spot detection. On most of our other trims, it comes with 16 or 17-inch wheels, but on this SXL, it'll come with your 19-inch wheels. Now on the back of the Sorento, it does come with your LED daylights. It also comes with your backup camera and your cross rear traffic alert. Now what that means is if the vehicle is backing up and if there's a pedestrian or even a vehicle, the vehicle will actually beep at you to indicate that there's something behind. It also does come with your PowerSmart liftgate. It's not like one of those other vehicles where you got to put your foot down. All you do is stand behind the vehicle, I'm not pressing anything, and the vehicle back will actually open up all by itself. Now that's magic. Now the other cool thing is if you're tall like me and you need it higher up, all you do is press this button, and when it beeps at you, now when you go on to open it, it'll actually open up to this height. Now with this vehicle, as you can see, there's a lot of cargo space. Now the inside of it is a very beautiful look. Very simple, very elegant. It does have your CD player. If you're kind of like myself that still has CD players, this vehicle will have it. Full navigation. It's also got your cool down seats for your driver and for your passenger. You also got your heated seats for both passenger and driver, and the best feature of them all is your heated steering wheel. It also does come with the P-off, which is your park brake off. So the way that works is if you have a trailer and you're pulling it and you're always backing up, you can actually turn that off so the beeping noise won't come at you. It also does come with your lock wheels. So the way that works is if you're stuck in 3-4 feet of snow, you can actually press this button and it's like an all-wheel system 4x4, it'll get you out. Down here it's got your auxiliary cable and your USB port. The other cool thing is your drive modes, which is your Eco, your Sport, and your regular, and your auto hold. So if you're at a red light and you turn that button on, you put your foot on the brake, you can actually take your foot off and it won't move until you give it some gas. It is a push start, so you don't have to have your key to start the engine. Backup camera is pretty sweet as well on this vehicle. As you can see, it's got your 360 camera here as well, with your backup and your front and your two sides. Now in the back seats, it does come with your sun visor to block the sun on long trips. It also does come with your heated seats in the back, so the passengers will be heated as well on your right side and your left side. Middle console does come down to rest your arm, or if you got some drinks, you can put some drinks in there as well too. Now if you're like me and you like to sleep on trips when you're sitting in the back, these seats actually do recline all the way back, so you can rest and sleep in peace until you get to your destination. If you need to charge your iPad or your tablet, you can charge them here, and it's got your USB auxiliary cables as well. Now to fold the seats, there's a lever just on the side. All you do is push it down, and your seats now will be reclined down. On the other side, you do the exact same because it is a 60-40 split, and now you have it fully flat with the seats in the back either up or down for more space.
All right, let's go for a ride. I don't know where that curb is on my right.
Oh, you got lots of room.
Oh wait.
Yeah, you got the side.
Oh my God. This is cool, man.
Isn't it?
Okay, yeah. That's fun.
So yeah, so
So-
I'll let you know how close you are.
So I've never driven this fancy 360 camera stuff like this before, and I just about got stuck in the parking lot, but I just looked at the camera and everything was like the curbs were all, that was really cool. I don't know.
See, now you can even put it on again.
You just leave it on?
Well, you can't leave it on when you
As
hit
soon as
about-
you go fast, it goes
exactly.
away?
When you hit about 10 kilometers, that's when it turns off.
That is so rad. It's like I'm playing the old Grand Theft Auto, where the, the top view.
Yeah.
All right, we're on the road. I'm driving a Kia Sorento.
2018
Yeah,
SXL.
yeah. It's so far like stupid comfortable. Really quiet, actually. Like
Yeah.
we're going about 70 kilometers an hour. I don't know what that is in miles per hour, but
Well-
the heated wheel is on, so my fingers are getting toasty.
So it's a 3.3 liter V6, so it's not turbo. It's got about 290 horsepower.
And the gas mileage, it's saying like right now, like it's got dealership mileage on it.
Well, actually, I resetted it, so right now it's trying to figure out,
It's-
your driving habits.
And we've been stopping a lot, but it says
Yeah.
12.8 right now.
12.8 is, it's reasonable.
It's gonna, it's going down now that we're on the highway.
Exactly.
So,
You should get about 11 on the highway.
okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
For like a big hog like this.
For 3.3.
Hog isn't the right word, but that guy almost ran into
I know.
the
He's kind of driving like
He doesn't have lane departure warning.
No. If you go into this lane without signaling, try it out.
Is it gonna? Not yet.
Turn
Not
your
wa-
signal on.
Oh, nice.
So that's your lane departure warning blind spot detection.
Yeah, it didn't want me to ram into that other
No.
SUV. That's good. So if I don't signal and I change lanes, is it gonna yell at me somehow?
Okay, try it now. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, nice. Cool.
One thing that's me right there.
What?
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, you're on a bus bench.
Yeah, you missed it.
This guy's a celebrity.
It's Raj from the Taj.
God.
Okay, so after these lights, what we'll do is we'll try our adaptive cruise control.
Okay. Driving. So how do I turn this thing on? Just
Okay.
hit cruise?
Yep. Just press down. Okay,
Okay.
now it's on.
Okay,
Take
my
your
foot
off
is
the brake.
off.
Now you see where the car is? You see those cars?
Yeah.
Press it. Now that's 2 car lengths. Press it
Okay.
again. That's 2.
Oh, that's 2 now.
And then press it again, and that's 1. I like to have it just set on 1.
So now I'm behind this van. I've got. Well, I've got.
You see how it's starting to come down?
Oh, is it slowing me now?
Yeah. See how it's coming down?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And
That's cool.
You're not pressing touch.
No,
anything.
my feet are
Oh,
off.
steering
Yeah.
wheel.
I'm steering.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna fall
So
asleep.
now check this out. Now go into your right lane.
And then it'll pick me up again.
Now it's
I'm
going to
gonna
pick
guess.
you up again.
I like it. All right, so the Kia Sorento. I've driven a couple of these SUVs this year.
Okay.
This is definitely for the dollar. Like if you like luxury like features, like this is leather, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats. You got all those safety features. You got the backup camera, which I mean everything's gonna have that, but the
And the
360,
forward.
the 360 and the forward cam is that's I'm a big fan of that. I'm stupid for it right now. Definitely not stupid expensive at 50 grand. Is that what you said?
Yeah, about that.
For the top trim.
top trim, yeah.
So, yeah, if you like what you've seen, comment, subscribe, hit the little like guy, dislike if you're, I don't know, if you're just mean, I guess. If you need to get some stress out, or if you just don't like my face, that's cool. Talk about it.
Or my face.
Yeah, definitely talk about it if it's his face.
But if you do like the face, don't forget to see Raj at the Taj.
Yeah, he's on bus signs. Yeah, bus bench guy right here.
Right here.
All right, that's it.